welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review EyesCrush box for the month of November. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is ₹699. Don't worry, I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box, so you can buy this box through that link. And now let's come back to this box. So I personally really like this box. This box is very colorful, and you can just see the design and everything here. And it's a very sturdy box. Now let's open it and start. So first thing is this. This is the info card, and let's start with the first thing. It says EyesCrush, shade of your choice. Of course, you know EyesCrush is all about sunglasses, so you can pick a perfect shade for yourself. Like, you can choose it. And if you are very confused and you want to try something new, what you can do is you can just select your face type, and they will send you a perfect sunglass for your face type, which is amazing, I guess. So by this time I have chosen one sunglasses, which is this. It's a black color, very safe kind of sunglasses, and that's why I've chosen this. This is the one. Just wear it and show you. So as you can see, it's very simple, very classic sunglasses, so that's why I've chosen this. And the price for this one is ₹2,099. And one more thing, if you wear powered sunglasses, or let's say powered lenses or specs, so what you can do is you can actually send your prescription and they will make your sunglasses according to your eye power, which is amazing. So yes, I love the concept and I love the sunglasses. The quality and everything of this sunglass is nice. So happy with this one. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is this month we have two sunglasses. So the next one is again from EyesCrush, and this is the eyeglasses of your choices with anti-glare lenses. And this is the one which I have chosen. These are like transparent glasses. Let me just wear it and show you. The price for this one is ₹1,099. And of course, these are transparent glasses. So this is how it looks. I like it. And these are of course with anti-glare, so you can just, while using your laptop, your iPads, your phone, you can just use them while driving, of course. So yes, I love it. And again, in this also you can add your power. So amazing concept, I guess. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is color style colored contact lenses. These are the one, and the color is, I think it's gray. I can't see the color here. Okay, it looks like gray, I guess. So the color is gray here, gray or brownish color. Okay, it says it's brown, yeah. So the color is brown. The price for this one is ₹445. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is the magnetic cooling eye mask. The price for this one is ₹199. I already have this one. I think I've received that in my EyesCrush only. So this is how it looks, and you can just wear it like this. And I haven't used this eye mask, so I can't really tell you about this, but you can wear it like this. Now let's move on to the last one. The last one is the EyesCrush Faux leather soft cases, and this time I have two. So $149, I guess. Yeah, like total is $298 for these two. And that's all what I've received in my EyesCrush for November month. I actually like it. My black sunglass is really nice, and this one is really cool and useful. So yes, I'm overall happy. And my lenses are, yes, of course I wear colored lenses, not in my videos, but yes, I do wear it. So yeah, that's all about EyesCrush. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.